Every picture starts from the light. Perfect lenses are as fast, sharp, and compact as possible within a sturdy construction, all at the same time. It is what we at Leica hold dear to for the past century. And it's also translated beautifully to what we have accomplished together with Xiaomi. My name is Pablo Acevedo Noda, Head of Development and Engineering Mobile at Leica. It is easy to design a lens with high imaging performance, so long as to make it so big it can be unwieldy. To achieve the same performance within this size, however, takes extreme amount of effort. With Xiaomi 13 Ultra, the same four principles apply. We are able to fit 4 amazing quality lenses within this compact form factor. Each and every lens is equipped with a large aperture. To ensure maximum performance, the lenses are meticulously designed with advanced ultra-high order even polynomial describing features, down to the nanometers. It practically reaches optical limits. The multi-layer optical coating significantly reduces ghost and flare, and has a stable performance even under extreme temperatures. Finally, all 4 lenses are enclosed within a single piece of metal structure, forming a robust system. The strategic cooperation between Xiaomi and Leica in the global imaging field has taken another crucial step. This time, together, we have brought the most perfect Summicron lens ever created in the fields of mobile imaging. By solving aberrations with raw optics, this can be described as the coming of age ceremony of mobile imaging. We are thrilled to embark on this adventure, taking Leica's philosophy into the era of mobile optics.
Xiaomi